Hey everyone,
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of deer farms, also known as deer factories. Ever wondered how these beautiful creatures are raised in controlled environments? Stick around, because you're in for a wild ride. Sister, so what exactly is a deer farm? Well, simply put, it's a place where deer are bred and raised, often for their meat, antlers, or even as part of ecotourism. But there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Deer farming has been growing in popularity around the world, especially in countries like New Zealand, China, and the US. Farmers raise deer for venison, which is known for being lean, high in protein, and lower in fat compared to other red meats. Now, here's something super interesting. Deer antlers. Did you know that deer shed their antlers every year? On these farms, the antlers are harvested before they're shed and are used for medicinal purposes in places like Asia. They're even considered a delicacy in some cultures. But managing a deer farm isn't easy. Farmers need to maintain large tracts of land and make sure the deer are well fed, healthy, and have enough space to roam. Deer can be quite sensitive to stress, so their environment needs to be as close to nature as possible. Beyond meat and antlers, some deer farms have become ecotourism hotspots. Imagine taking a serene walk through nature while seeing deer up close in a responsible and sustainable way. A true win-win for animal lovers and the environment. Many farms focus on sustainability. These farmers understand the importance of maintaining ecological balance. From proper grazing techniques to maintaining natural habitats, deer farming can be done in an eco-friendly way. So, whether it's for their delicious meat, amazing antlers, or even just to visit and admire, deer farms, also known as deer factories, are playing a big role in both agriculture and conservation. This is one of the largest bitter melon processing factories in the region. Every day, hundreds of bitter melons are harvested, cleaned, processed, and packed to be sent to markets around the world. It all starts at the farm. Bitter melons thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, and here, farmers carefully handpick each melon to ensure the highest quality. Once they arrive at the factory, the bitter melons go through a thorough cleaning process. Each one is inspected for size, color, and ripeness, ensuring that only the best make it to your table. The next step is cutting and processing. Some bitter melons are sliced for fresh consumption, while others are prepared for drying or juicing. Once processed, they're quickly packed to maintain freshness. Whether they're destined for local markets or international exports, our team ensures they're handled with care. Bitter melons are packed with nutrients, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're often used in traditional medicine and are known for supporting blood sugar control and boosting immunity. Once packaged, they're loaded and sent off to their final destinations. Our factory takes pride in providing fresh, healthy, bitter melons to people all over the globe. Harvesting and cleaning. Fresh bitter melons are collected from farms and thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt and contaminants. Sorting and grading. The bitter melons are sorted based on quality, size, and ripeness. Processing. Bitter melons can be processed into various forms, such as dried bitter melon, for use in teas or powders; juicing, extracting the juice for health drinks; despickling, for culinary uses; and powdering. Drying and grinding the fruit to create a supplement. Processed products are packaged for distribution. This includes bottled juices, dried bitter melon chips, or powdered extracts. Quality control, ensuring the products meet health and safety standards. Distribution. The finished goods are shipped to retailers, wholesalers, or direct customers.